Hello everyone, this video is for resellers. In this video, I will explain you how our reseller community can make up to $2,500 per restaurant they bring to us. I will give you the details. What do we sell? What are the products? How a restaurant can apply to us? How you can make money? How you will log into your reseller dashboard and see your commissions? I will give you more context about everything. So first of all, this is our reseller page we just launched. This is now public for everyone. Everyone can go and sign up now. So it says earn up to $2,500 per restaurant location. This is per location, by the way. If you bring us a chain, you will get up to $2,500 per location of that chain. How does it work? Payments are monthly and depend on the POS integration type. You will get 5 to 10% recurring commissions from your clients. And $2,500 will be the maximum cap that you can get from a location. So it's a special offer until December 31, but we will probably extend this. But even if it's not $2,500, the cap will be somewhere around $1,500 and $2,000. So again, I will show you everything. By the way, all the details are on our website actually, but I will give you more details about this. So I just want to start with explaining the monthly commissions. Again, if you use our own cloud POS system, so we also have our cloud POS system and the restaurants doesn't have to integrate their own POS system to us. Yes, they can do that. And I will show you in a second that which are the POS systems in our network, like the Square, Clover, Pecan, Platron, etc. Even if they don't want to integrate to their system or their POS system is not in our network, they still can use our products. AI phone agents, I claim that is the best AI phone agent for restaurants on the market right now. I can talk about the details in a second. And other products I will be showing in a second. And actually we recommend that if they use our own POS system, they can put just Android tablet or a Windows. I will be showing in a second. Since it's a cloud POS system, as long as they have a browser like this, they will be able to use our POS system. So they can start using our product. First of all, how you sign up? You sign up from here. We've seen already some of the resellers. If you go and tap the sign up now, it will take you to sign up page. Become a reseller. If you're an individual, go this way. If you're a business, go this way. Select your country. The international people from other countries can sign up this reseller program. But the restaurants should be from United States for now. Give your details and complete your sign up process. When you sign up, in the main screen, you will be seeing something like this. POS systems in our network and also our own cloud POS system that you can always use. So the Square, if your client is a Square client and want to use a Square directly, then the commission rate will be 8%. For the Clover, it will be 8%. Pecan, it is 5%. What does this mean? When your client make a payment to us and start using services, you will get 8% from their commissionable payments. Commissionable payments means almost all the payments actually. There are couple of exceptions like taxes or third-party delivery, which is not onboarded yet, but there are some little details that we don't actually get the money and pass to somewhere else. But other than that, the main services like the AI phone agent, online ordering, I will be showing in a second, you will get a commission from their monthly payments to us. Again, these are the rates. For Pecan is 5%, Nova 8, Truffle 8, and the Mantra 8. But the important thing is, we have our own cloud POS system they still can use. So how does it work? Let me start from there. This is, for example, one of our clients' dashboard right now. So in this dashboard, they can just tap to view orders. Let me go to yesterday. As you can see, there are a lot of orders here. So they can just monitor the ticket, the status of the ticket, the source of the ticket, either is from the POS system or online ordering or the AI phone agent. They can see all the details here. They can monitor the chat histories between their AI agent and their customers. They can listen to the phone call and also see the text-based conversation between the AI agent and their customer. There is a Teach AI section, so I will be showing in a second. There are a lot of things to talk about. I'm just gonna try to focus on the reseller-related parts in this video. But one important thing is there is a new order section here as well. As you can see now, I'm a dashboard, cloud POS system. So they can also create orders from here which is really convenient actually, especially for the pizza stores. You know, there are some pizza stores out there, they just take the delivery orders. Let's say AI forward call to store, okay, and just put the address here. If AI, let's say, didn't understand the address, like 5% of the chance or something. This is connected to Google system. So even if they don't use AI phone agent, actually this POS system is still good for them, because a lot of times staff don't know the addresses, right? So they need to check whether it's in the delivery range or it's not in the delivery range, right? But in our POS system, let's say 25 El Rancho, Hammett, okay. If I go and save this one, I will be able to see the distance, and based on the distance, the delivery fee will be applied automatically. If it's out of range, the staff will be able to see that. In and on itself, as a POS system, this is really useful, and they can also create the orders here. They can edit the orders. This is also important. Let's say a customer called but wanted to update something. AI will be able to update that, but let's say they didn't trust the AI, they just wanted to talk to a real person. So the staff will be able to go here and edit the orders. So if they click the ticket here, they can go and edit the order. They can print another time. So this is a cloud POS system they can use as well. Let's say their POS system is Toast right now. We are not integrated to Toast, right? But a lot of Toast restaurants or the pizza stores are actually using the Grubhub, DoorDash, or Uber Eats tablets, right? The Android tablets. So they can put another tablet for us. We have an Android app, which is connected to printer if they want to use the printer, and they still can get their phone orders from that tablet. If they want to use a Windows computer, that's also fine. Our printer app is also useful in the Windows as well. So if they have already a Windows computer, they can still use our system and print the tickets from their store. What I'm trying to say that they don't have to connect their POS system to us, integrate to us, and there are some perks of that. For example, if they integrate their POS system to us, AI will be able to take the orders and forward it to their POS system, which is fine. But if they want to update the order, for example, if it's a third-party integration like the POS system, like the Pecan or Clover or whatever, AI won't be able to do that. AI will forward to the call to store. But if it's our own POS system, AI will be able to update the ticket because our POS system is capable of doing that, but we cannot do that with the third-party deliveries. That's actually one of the most important advantage of our dashboard if the restaurants want to use it directly. Okay, what else? I will be talking about the driver. So this is a complete delivery system as well. All right. The staff can just dispatch orders to the drivers from here. We also have a driver app I will be talking about in a second, which is integrated to this dashboard, which reduce the labor up to 20%, which is really important. Okay, I will be showing in a second. This dashboard is also capable of doing the delivery management. Okay, for the self-delivering restaurants, this is a perfect delivery management POS system as well. So they will be able to see all the tickets here and they will assign it to different drivers they have. What else? So there is a teach your AI section. This is also important, especially at the beginning of the onboarding. Think of it as like hiring someone new. When you hire someone new, you actually do a lot of training in the first couple of weeks maybe, right? So similarly, we will settle the menu 98% maybe. We will teach everything to AI. All the details of the menu, what needs to do, what are the pricing, etc. But there will be some points they just want to update their AI phone agent. Large sellers actually comes to free dressing, not one. This kind of details. So they will be able to use here, teach your AI section. So they will just write their message to AI. Okay, please upsell this, for example. Please apply $1 discount for upselling desserts, for example. AI agent also is capable of doing discounts. That's also important part. Upselling is important. Whatever they want to teach to their AI employee, the restaurant owners can use this dashboard and see their request history, what are their status, etc. They will be able to reach the customer, all the addresses, phone numbers, everything are kept here. They can just update it or check it out, this data. Employees, clock in, clock out is also available in this cloud POS system. Menu management, availability, they can just make one of the product unavailable or they can just assign a specific time. For example, lunch special, they can just assign specific time to their lunch specials or whatever the menu they have. They can create coupons. Okay, this is $1 discount coupon, for example, for the upselling, but they can create more. Loyalty program for the online ordering, I will be showing in a second. We also have online ordering. The images, their website images, they can just change their website images from here. If they want to apply processing fee for different platforms, they can do that. So this is overall a dashboard, cloud POS system they can use for the AI Bunny operation. So there are a lot of settings here, POS settings. If they want to use a virtual keyboard, they can just use a virtual keyboard because some of them just use the touchpad. You know, when I click here, as you can see, the the virtual dashboard is open. So this is a POS system that lives on a website right now, which is reachable from anywhere. So think about the restaurant has a lot of tables. So the staff can just have one tablet on their hand and create orders from here. They can just go and visit the table and take the order from there, which will be connected to their main computer because everything lives in the same website, which is really, really convenient. From balance billing, they just top up their balance, see the usage history, etc. So there is a specific details and page related to this on our website, so I'm not going to go into too much details, but this is overall very good cloud POS system. Now, okay, let's go back to the dashboard of the reseller. So how you can create a new client. So if you go to the client section, you can just tap the new client here and you will just give the information of the new client that you want to add. The restaurant name and the restaurant address is required, definitely required, but you can also fill all this form to make things easier. And when this client apply to us, this restaurant apply to us, you will start earning commission from their payments to us. When they pay us and use our services, when we charge us, you will get specific amount between 5% and 10% again from their payments. So right now we don't have any sign up page for the restaurant, how the restaurants will apply actually. So from our website, if they go top to get started, they will also fill a form and give some information and we will just contact them and start onboarding process with them. Generally takes 1-2 days. Okay, we teach everything to their AI. We learn their phone provider, how it's AT&T, T-Mobile, because they will just forward their calls to us. That's also important. Some onboarding questions, etc. We will contact with them. So let's say you have some clients already. How are you gonna monitor your earning? Okay, this is the commission earnings page. For example, this data belongs to one of our new resellers. As you can see, even if it's a new reseller, they actually made it $100 in this month. For example, from this restaurant, they just earned 10%, 10%. The restaurants at the beginning, by the way. So if a restaurant use our AI phone agent system, they likely, let's say if they take like 20 phone orders per day, okay, they are likely to pay us around, like, it really depends on the context, but the $300 to $600 if they take, for example, it's $300 for the 20 orders, I assume, but it can go up to $1,000 if they are really busy restaurant. So order-based price, I will be talking about the price in a second, but order-based price around 75 cents to 80 cents. I will be showing the statistics of one of our clients. Actually, it can go below this, even the 60 cents per order. Okay, this is the general dashboard that you can follow. In the account management, you will add your forms, W9 forms, bank account information, and the deposits, direct deposits will be made in the first 10 days of each other month, okay, because we will keep 1 month for there might be some refunds or something like that. After each month, the payments will be made automatically. Okay, let's go back to website. So what you will be saying, first of all, our biggest product right now is AI Phone Agent, of course. This is really convenient. AI Phone Agent. So there are a lot of fuss about this. There are a lot of AI agents out there can't actually complete the orders. Okay, let me start from there. This AI agent can do anything a real human do. That's how I can put, all right? Pickup orders, delivery orders, payments, all of them are handled by AI Phone Agent. AI Phone Agent can also remember the regular customer. Let's say I ordered a food for a delivery address like whatever, 25 Chapel Street, okay? Next time when I call, the AI agent answers the call like, would you like a delivery order to 25 Chapel? Just like last time. AI agent don't have to do any address check again, which will decrease the amount of time they spent, which will decrease the bill of the restaurant. They can also repeat the order, which is something really convenient because a lot of people actually order same thing each and every time. If they call and say just like repeat my last order, that's it. They will be able to say AI will be bringing the last order because AI knows what is the last order. If they want to, let's say they just hang up and they just call again, where is my order? Or I just want to add something like that. AI is able to update the order or give information about the order. Even if they order online ordering is one of our another product. Even if they order online, AI will be able to know what is the status of their order, etc. So AI Phone Agent is really, please do not confuse our AI Phone Agent with some others on the market because people just send online ordering link. AI agent just takes a phone call. And when the customer want to order something, AI agent just sends an online ordering link by SMS. Okay, this is not something that we are talking about. This is not order taking. You just answer the phone. You just send the online ordering link to people who want to order over the phone. That's not convenient. That's not something we recommend. Our AI phone agent is really capable of doing anything on the phone. Even for the payment system, you can watch our payment system video, which is a different video. AI can handle also payments as well over the phone. Of course, we need to send the SMS for the payments. That's another thing. If they want to pay by card, that's the most secure one because we cannot listen the card number over the phone. But you can just check out that video to learn details. AI phone agent is the biggest system. We have a ROI calculator here, which is really important because they are able to get all of the concurrent orders. This is incredibly important. Okay, there is a ROI calculator here. You can just make your restaurants to come visit this website. Let's say they get 50 orders per day, okay? And the average order value is $40. And if they have only one employee can handle the phone call at a time, this is important, then you can just calculate their calls. So if they get 50 orders per day, an average order is $40, 17 of those 50 orders probably will come at the same moment. Where this data coming from? This data coming from our real data. I will be showing in a second actually from our real client. And if they have 17 calls, they will put 10 of them because this will be happening in the 7 different times. Again, this is from our data. Of course, these are the approximate numbers, but still based on our real data. So 10 customers will be put on hold. And 60% of the customers put on hold, hang up and order from somewhere else. So they will likely lose the 6 orders per day. Since their order average is $40, it makes daily loss $240, which is $7,000, monthly loss $80,000, $90,000 almost, yearly loss. Even if they have 2 employees can handle the phone calls at the same time, they are still losing $2,000 per month. Even this is really a high amount. So the biggest advantage of AI phone agent, AI can handle all of the concurrent calls at the same time. Actually, let me show you some real data at this point. Okay, so this is one of our clients' statistics. By the way, they are able to see all of these statistics in detail. So which belongs to Saturday, December 13, 2025. So there are 45 orders. As you can see, there is a graphic here. 12 of these 45 orders come at the same time. So 2 orders at 1:05 p.m., 2 orders at 3:25 p.m. So look at here, for example, 4:25 p.m. there are 2 orders, 4:28 there are another 2 orders. If they had used only one person to take the concurrent calls, they would actually lose probably $180 on this day. If you go one of the crazy day, let's go to Halloween day, for example. October 31st, there are 113 orders. But the most important thing is, at 3:04 p.m. in same minute, there are 4 orders. Similarly, 4:02, there are 4 orders. 4:17, there are 3 orders in the same minute I'm talking about. So they would lose most of these orders, okay? If they had only one person to take the phone calls, they would lose probably $800 on the table on that day. Even if they had 2 employees, they would leave $250 on that day. So regular Friday and Saturday is not different than this. So this is the biggest advantage of AI phone agent. They can just come and visit this website to learn their loss. This is the amount they will be saving actually. So for example, this day, cost per order is really high. This is not a typical cost per order on that day because there are a lot of phone calls actually. People just ask, where is my order? Where is my order? Because the restaurant got the order more than they expected because they got more order when they use the AI phone agent. So of course, it's hard to manage all of those orders. So people just call, where is my order? Where is my order? Which will increase the cost per order. So in general, the cost per order, actually, let me show that to you as well. Let's go to the yearly statistics of this client. Okay, as you can see, clients started late September. In the October, they made $47,000, then $46,000 in the November. And let's look at the cost per order on their AI phone agent. So when they started, their average was 81 cents per order. Then next month 77, next month 71 cents. This month is 68 cents. Why? Because they are customers learning AI better. Okay, so it's getting decrease and decrease, so it will end up probably around the 60 cents per order, which is, when you think about the perks of the AI, which is an incredible amount, honestly. So you cannot just hire people in rush hours, right? Okay, this is Halloween day, come and work for me between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. I will pay you this. No, it doesn't work like that in the real world environment. So that's why it's the most important thing for AI, being able to take all of the concurrent orders. So I'm just gonna stop here related to AI phone agent because there are a lot of things that I don't want to get into details. We also have online ordering system. Okay, this is also another thing. Online ordering system. Let me show you So all of these images are professional AI generated images. When I say AI generated, people sometimes think that it's deceptive. No, it's not deceptive. These are created by the name and the description of the product. Pictures is everything for the online ordering. So we just create their professional AI generated pictures. As you can see, look at this. You should hire a professional photographer, like thousands of dollars, to create these pictures on your website. But we can create this with the AI system. So this is AI powered online ordering. Loyalty points are here. Pickup delivery orders are here. Most important thing is we create this online ordering on their own dashboard, on their own domain address. Sorry. The customers do not jump from their domain, the restaurant's domain, to a third-party domain. If they want to do that, we are able to do that as well. But what we claim is we will put your online ordering on your own website. We will not make your customers to jump from your website to third-party website. No, everything will be on your own website, which is, as you can see, really convenient. They can. So this is really SEO-based, search engine optimized website, which will also boost their online ordering. That this AI generated photographs are really important. And let's say the customer didn't want to do that. Okay, they just didn't like the photograph right now. They can actually go. So let me go to dinners. Okay, for example, this is chicken fingers dinner. Let me create the AI generated picture. This is 20 cents per photograph, but the first photographs will be free. Okay, we will just create all of the AI generated photographs for free. Again, AI will check out the name of the product, description of the product, the context, everything, and try to create the best representative photograph for that. And it will take like 7-8 seconds. As you can see, okay, let's look at here. Let's say clam strip dinner. If you want to just create the product photograph from scratch, you can just click here. 20 cents per picture, by the way, photograph, which is charged from the photograph creator to us. So we just use that amount. First of all of the first products are free. Okay, we just create for the restaurant. But if they don't like one of the product, which might be the case, AI doesn't know the exact detail of the product. So the product picture is created here, but let's say they didn't like it. For example, this will be probably the dinner and they didn't like it. They can just remove this image and put their own amateur photograph. If they just take a picture of their real product, but it doesn't look like professional, right? But they want it to be looked professional. So they can just upload their own amateur photograph to here and make it professional. So if they just click the upload and generate by AI will just take that real photograph, but put the restaurant environment, the background, the professional lights on top of it. It's still a real photograph of the product, but it will look like much professional. Again, people spend thousands of dollars to make this online ordering. Again, this online ordering website is, let me talk about the pricing, by the way. It's $149 per month, the online ordering system. The iPhone agents are 27 cents per minute. All the details are here. I really talked a lot in this video. I just wanted to give the general idea about the reselling. This is the first part of the reselling. I will update you if we launch new things. What other things? We also have driver app. You can really learn the details from our website. Okay, it will really decrease labor of the delivery for the self-delivering restaurants. All the details are here. We have a special video about this. So if they use their own drivers, this driver app, Android and iOS driver app, are really useful for them. Staff, the manager will just dispatch to the drivers. Drivers will see them on the phone. One tap calling to customers, one tap optimized route. They don't have to think about which address should I go to first, which address should I go to last. These are really important for the self-delivering restaurants, and they can really decrease their delivery time by like 10 minutes and the delivery labor by like 20%. If they use 5 delivery guys, for example, they can actually do the same job with the 4 drivers. All the details are here. What else? We also have AI chat agents. One of our clients using our WhatsApp agent, by the way. So AI is able to handle the WhatsApp orders as well. By talking to customer, they just can take the orders on the WhatsApp, especially for the Brazilian restaurants or the Mexican restaurants. The customers of those restaurants are using WhatsApp widely, even if the American people do not use WhatsApp. This might be also an option that you can sell to your clients. So best clients for us are right now are the pizza stores, which takes a lot of phone calls. Okay, if a restaurant do not take more than 10 phone orders per day, it might not be the best option for them, the AI phone agent. But if they take over 10, and a lot of pizza stores get actually 70, 80, 90 orders per day. I just shown you in this video, actually, one of our clients has taken 120 orders in the crazy Halloween night. So then it will be game changer for them. All right, so the Christmas is coming, the New Year's is coming, Super Bowl days is coming, and the AI phone agent will create a real difference for restaurants and save a lot of money. So AI phone agent pays itself over 5x or something. So what other details for the resellers? So we are also working mobile app for the restaurants, which is not ready yet, but in the future it will be ready. We are working on the third-party delivery, which will be also ready in a couple of weeks. So after that, AI phone agent, so let's say the restaurants do delivery, but until 3 miles. What about it between 3 miles and 10 miles? We will be able to call the driver, third-party driver, DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Grubhub drivers, and they will handle the order, and the delivery fee will be passed to the customer. That will be also game changer, honestly, because a lot of restaurants don't even do delivery. They don't take delivery orders over the phone, but they will be able to do that after we launch that product. Again, the mobile app will be another product for them. Pricing is 27 cents per minute right now for the AI phone agent and $149 for online ordering system. So this is good for who? Payment processor representative, POS consultants, resellers, restaurant tech advisors, merchant service agents, business development pros, restaurant consultants, even POS system. Okay, if you're a POS system, you can just contact us and we can talk about the more customized rates that you can earn with us. We are currently talking to some POS systems and we can just integrate and pass our orders to you. If you have more questions, just comment below and we can just use this space for question answerings for resellers. When we update something related to reseller, before closing, I was talk about the payment processors. Who is going to be the payment processor? That's also the important part. A lot of resellers work with Authorize.net and we are fully integrated with Authorize.net, and all the over 145 payment processors work on Authorize.net. We do not touch your processing fee. Okay, that's important detail. We do not touch your processing fee and you can just keep your processing fee. We also integrated to Square and Stripe. If your customer has a Square account already, we are fully integrated with that. And they can even use a Square terminal with our cloud POS as well. So the details are actually in our previous video. You can just check it out from the YouTube. But in that video, we didn't have Authorize.net integration. Now we also have Authorize.net integration and we do not touch to processing fee. Again, all the SMS payments, all of the online ordering payments, or the mobile app payments, or the other payments, everything integrated to Authorize.net, Square, and also Stripe if the customers want to. I think that's pretty much it. If you have any question, you can just comment below in this video and we can talk about and answer more questions coming from the resellers. If we update something with the resellers, everything will be in this channel. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Take care, everyone.